Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm Lorraine, and we are going to make a Christmas card using the You're the Best paper pumpkin kit. I'm pulling in the Merry Christmas from the Perfectly Plaid Retired set. I love this Merry Christmas. When I unboxed it, I said that this struck me as a Christmas type piece. This is basic beige. I don't have any basic beige. I tried it with crumb cake underneath and it kind of darkened everything up, so I chose to go with the very vanilla, which kind of lightens everything up. I'm going to use the wild wheat decoration just to add some interest, and I had gold embossed the Merry Christmas to go in the middle, but for this one I'm just going to use the early espresso. So, and I haven't decided if I'm going to lift this or what I'm going to do, so I'll decide as I go. This is the die from the Thanks and Beyond add-on set, so I'm going to use that to cut out the greeting. So I'm just going to ink up my stamp with the early espresso, and I think this one I'm going to actually stamp on a separate piece of paper just to make sure that my ink pad is good. I haven't used my early espresso in a really long time. Oh, that looks very good. Okay, excellent, excellent, excellent. So I'm just going to stamp this down. There we go. Close this up. And then I can run it through my stamp and cut and emboss. So what I need to do, I want to put this on an angle so that my hard edge isn't going against the rollers there in the machine. I'm just going to put that down, run it through. There we go. And let's start building the card. I played with different ideas as far as bling and embellishments, and I really couldn't come up with anything that I liked right out of the gate. So we're just going to go ahead and build this card front. What I am going to do is I'm going to attach this to this front piece here. I'm going to use adhesive. You could use the adhesive dots in your kit if you want. I'm just going to use my tape runner because I find it more efficient. And I'm going to come in so that I'm just covering up that circle. So it's just right on the edge there, but I've got lots of coverage here. And then I'm going to dimensionalize this onto the front of the card. Like that. Okay, so okay, and go. And this is just going to come in and sit right in the middle of those existing lines like that. And I think I am going to dimensionalize this up from the card base. And again, I've used very vanilla because I don't have basic beige yet. Next order. I actually had missed the new color basic beige in the catalog. I completely skipped right over it, so I didn't have it as part of my initial order. Let's make sure I've got this card opening up the right way. Yes, I do. So we're just going to pop this down, center it up like that. And I'm just going to see if I've got any bling that would make sense to use with this. I've got some of my iridescent foil gems, but they've got a bit of pink in them, so that doesn't make sense. I think I'm actually kind of good with the way it is. It's a little bit plain, but it's a great Christmas card for the men in your life. I know I will probably use this for one of the people at work at Christmas time because I do cards for them. You could put the trees inside, or you could put just leave it blank inside. So anyway, that is our Throwback Thursday card, making it a Christmas card using the Merry Christmas from the Perfectly Plaid set. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for another alternate.